Now, CBS 4 is commemorating Hispanic Heritage Month. That designation means a lot to those in the medical community who vow to make sure access to care is not a barrier, especially in the Hispanic community. CBS 4's Austin Carter has the story of Dr. Aldo Calvo.
Oh, Dr. Calvo, just the first one I need to see.
For Dr. Aldo Calvo, treating folks in South Florida is personal, especially for those who are Hispanic.
Most of my patients being Hispanic, I see them as my family. They remind me of my parents, my uncles, my aunts, my cousins, and there's just a passion there.
It's a daily and unwavering commitment that's been even more of a dedication due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Dr. Calvo is the medical director of the ambulatory division at Broward Health.
That safety, I think I have really good relationships and buy-in for my patients where I can be much more effective at what I do. And I think that makes me a better doctor.
But the journey here was not an easy one.
We were very financially challenged, you could say poor. We were a family of 5 living in a studio.
Dr. Calvo coming from humble beginnings in New York City. His parents are Peruvian.
I didn't speak a word of Spanish coming to South Florida. I recall as a child my family speaking to me in Spanish, but I couldn't pronounce the language very well.
Dr. Calvo coming to the Sunshine State at 9 years old, and it wasn't until he moved to Miami that things changed.
I met people who looked like me, who had similar stories of their upbringing, immigrant parents who worked really hard with the purpose of providing a really safe and loving environment for their children to be able to succeed and live the American dream.
It was that experience that still inspires him today to embrace his heritage and to be a help to his community.
I've dedicated my life to taking care of patients who are Hispanic.
And a part of that decision isn't just to provide the best care, but to make sure that they are in a safe space where barriers such as language can be broken.
I know I could be very effective in doing so, and by being effective is that they'll be able to follow the medical plan and have good medical outcomes so that my patients can enjoy their family. You know, I'm a Hispanic and I'm going to embrace my heritage and I want to learn more about it.
And Dr. Calvo has been extremely involved in the monoclonal antibody treatment clinic right here at Broward Health. It's been working in conjunction with the state-run vaccination site over at CB Smith Park. The doctor also telling us that this is all extremely important for those hardest hit by this pandemic, including the Hispanic community. Reporting in Fort Lauderdale, I'm Austin Carter, CBS 4 News.